Hey guys, Jacob with Grower Solution here again, and I'm happy to announce that our newest series of greenhouses has just released. We just got it done, finished, everything's tested on it, working great. It's our new Cove style greenhouse. It's going to be put on 6-foot centers, and it's going to be a 4-piece bow with a 3.5-foot sidewall. Now, the great thing about this house is no more freight trucks. This thing will ship directly to your door with FedEx. The good thing about that is you're not gonna have to be home to have to meet the freight truck driver. They're just gonna leave it on your front porch. This one that I have right here in front of me is our basic Cove house. It comes with the whole bow assemblies, 1 run of purlin, and then it'll also include 2 zipper doors as well for entry. This one can start off right at $650 with free shipping. Now, if you want to, you can do our plus, our upgraded kit, which also will include the roll-up sides and metal end walls where you can put in a screen door if you want to, and you can get that one free shipping for $850. Now, as far as utilizing it, we try to come up with this day and age with the economy of getting us a good affordable house that's gonna be commercial grade. So what we did is all the pipe is going to be the same pipe that we normally use for our other houses. It's all industry grade 16 and 14 gauge pipe. The ground stakes are going to be a little bit different than our other system. They're going to be 20-inch ground stakes instead of the normal 36-inch ground stakes. As far as usability for the house, since it's a 10 by 12, you can always add on 6-foot sections if you want to. If you want to extend it, double it, triple it, whatever you want to do, it's easy to extend the house if you decide to outgrow it for maybe the following season. You're going to have a total of 120 square foot of usable grow space in here, depending on how you use it. You know, it's tall enough to be able to hang trellises for tomatoes, cucumber, beans if you wanted to, or if you wanted to grow in the ground, just like a garden would. Everything will work out just fine. And like I said, it's still strong as all of our other houses. It's just going to be a 6-foot center instead of our normal 4-foot center. The thing is sturdy as can be, and no problems with it. But right now, let's go inside the greenhouse and we'll show you how much usable space is actually in here. Here you can see we've got it set up a couple different ways. If you want to have tables in here, plenty of room. If you want to grow out of containers or cloth bags, right here, works great. It's nice and clean and weed free. And then if you want to do the grow towers, like what we have right over here, you can line up grow towers in it and grow vertically as well. We did not want to cut corners on it. It is still going to be rated for 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And if you have the greenhouse all closed up and you don't have the doors wide open, it's going to be as tough as any other of our commercial houses that we cover. One of the perks about this house with having the 2 zip-up doors is you might not need roll-up sides because it already has the passive ventilation. Some people prefer roll-up sides. I love roll-up sides. But if you did want to spend the extra money, you can always just do passive ventilation and you'll be perfectly fine.